Scorpio. Okay. There's a couple things going on right now. You're feeling the moon in Pisces ferociously, and there is also within the ferocity of it an attention to values for you, an attention to stability. The image that came through instantly after looking at your chart was you standing in like the middle of the sea on a rock, and like you're wearing some like billowy witchy moment, and the seas are raging and the sky is raging and there's so much going on around you, and you're like, and what? And what? Intro. Guess what? You are loved. Okay, full moon in Pisces. It's a doozle bopple. Before we get into the juice of it, New York, I'm doing my first in-person workshop. Thursday, September 30th, 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. ZODIACAL flow. One part learning about the astrological journey. Second part, we imbue it into our bodies with some yoga. It's going to be so fun. If you're in the New York area and you can attend, like, let's do this. Alchemical Studios, registration on my website, at the shop, under workshops. Beep bada bop bop. If you're not in New York and you want me to come to you to do the workshop, let's talk about it. Okay. The energies of this moment are very intense. The full moon is right next to Neptune in Pisces, in the Pisces. What is Neptune? Neptune is dreams, harmony, love, sensitivity, childhood attachments, delusion, religion suppression, consumption of entertainment, music. The sun is in Virgo. Virgo says, I love the details. I love the ritual. I love the autonomy. I love the day-to-day lists. I love my body. I love my health. I love my physical sense of my day-to-day life. I love doing things. I love gifting service. I love being of value. I love being important. Right now, what was started in an Aries is now at the final stages of getting ritualized in Virgo. We are about to, Libra season, go into having other people come on board with this project. And then we're going to make our way back to the Pisces full expression of it. So we are feeling, moon, feeling the end of the adventure halfway through. We are feeling the big harmonious completion moment of what was energetically started inside of us. This is why this feels so overwhelming at the moment. Because here we are, sun saying, focus on ritual, focus on day-to-day, focus on the now, focus here. We have this full moon moment of like, but wait, all of the other things. Oh. It's Coritus. Choir. It's like the Tabernacle Choir singing. So what we're going to do today with the tarot is, what is the reflective moment that we need to know to become aware of to get past the drama? What is it that we need to just exalt, that we need to get clarity on so that we can move forward back to our day-to-day ritual? What is it that we need to feel so that we can execute? The Neptune moment right next to the moon is going to provide cloudiness. It's going to provide a huge sense of weight to it, and it's not going to be delivered in a clear way. That's why we need some meditation time. So, We're going to talk about what the access point to that meditation is. Scorp. Okay, here we go. Scorpio, so your moment is upside down 10 of Cups. This is emotional abundance. This is radiant love. This is the completion of an emotional journey. This says, whoa, the choir. Kind of like what we were saying with all of this trauma around you and you ferociously standing in the middle of it. Look at this. You have so much coming at you. Boom, boom, ha. Are these lights? Are you being illuminated in your correct abundance? Are you being illuminated in your kaleidoscope of truth? In your kaleidoscope of correct radiance? Or are you being drowned out, washed, ragged, rained out? Or are you wet and sad? This is like, you are either shining or you are sopping. So, say yes to shining. Say yes to standing in the middle of it. Say yes to surfacing. If we're keeping in this metaphor of you standing on your rock posed, then say yes to surfacing and standing on something solid. Stand on a rock. You love the murky, murky, murky. You love the dark, dark, dark water. You love it there. You love kind of floating. And now saying, stop floating. Because if you stay floating with all of the raging of the sea happening around you, you're going to find yourself on another land. You're going to find yourself washed into somebody else's drama. So, stand on your rock so that you maintain your stability. Okay, come on, love. You are so loved. Give yourself grace, give yourself time, give yourself some meditative moments. Listen to your most beautiful music that makes you feel. Listen to something that makes you think. Have conversations that put you in a reflective, introspective place. Choose meditation, choose soul, choose spirit, choose love, choose harmony. When you're watching television, you're ingesting somebody else's story. Neptune really wants you to spend time with it so that you get to discover your story. This is also, Neptune is perception time. Saturn is actual minutes. Neptune is perception time. So we're kind of going on we're going to be kind of skewed with time right now. We're going to be in a moment of like, have I been doing something for 5 minutes or 5 hours? Like, just give yourself breath. Give yourself grace. Give yourself love. Allow yourself to zone out. Allow yourself to get lost in something. Allow yourself to create. It doesn't have to be good. You don't have to share it. Do whatever it is that gets you in a space of speaking with your intuitive soul. I am always here for you. PaulFlanagan.com for appointment booking, the workshops, random videos. Goodbye.